Data Science Info says, can you suggest any real-world data science project for portfolio to showcase in an interview and make a difference? Okay, so Data Science Info, I'll point you to my book over here, your first year in data science. It's available on Amazon. It's also available in Australia. I made it globally available. The ebook version is very affordable. Creativity is something that I talk about because what you're asking is a question on creativity. And I get this question a lot, and I really don't give an answer for this. I don't help people with project ideas because I don't want to deny you the opportunity for you to exercise your creativity and come up with your own project idea, right? Because if you went through a data science program, then you're a pretty smart guy, so you should be smart enough to be able to come up with your own project. So what I tell people is go out and read business journals, read stuff that interests you, and start thinking about the articles and stuff you read about in a data-oriented way. And sometimes you might come across data or a study